Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
UMLA jangka South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Shullai uba longru UMLA jangka Bharatiya Janata Party haga Southerik Urisau arjar khat khandai ula kamtrai baga Jingïakhun haga election shiteng samoy kaban salong haga Shella constituency haga arpoi tarik mentau benai kan longbek tang Hapdeng u Kyrtong ka Bharatiya Janata Party uba Joshua Warjri persya yaki Kyrtong bala penyeng dagi seng sain perthai baper bat kuntup ru yaki Kyrtong klemseng ki balami perthai ban aireng haga ni ke election teng samoy mentaga kenti haga Jingïakhun berkilat patai kubor uba Sanbor Shullai ulapan kesan ya kani ke jingkam ke jong u namar ba hado mentaga BJP kala dep penrung khot hado san hajar tam Shella constituency kumshi bentaban penkre ya kani ke election teng samoy.
As per the manifesto, the principle, the ideology of the BJP under the Prime Ministership of Narendra Modi, this is the corruption-free party. We are always to the manifesto party to eradicate the corruption. So, in my statement, I have stated that in the last MP election, most of the sitting MP of the BJP, they have not been allotted the party ticket due to non-performance, and there is a suspicious that they are involved in corruption. So most of them ticket has not been allotted. We have replaced with another candidate like that. So that is that's what I have highlighted to the people. So that's why, since we are in power in Delhi, so I appeal to the electorates of Shella constituency that why should you go to Team A, Team B? Direct you vote for Joshua Warjri. That is my statement. Team A BJP center. But Joshua is Warjri is our candidate. So it will be convenient for the people of Shella that we will champion if he is voted as an. So it will be convenient for us to move the scheme, the proposal, of the people, the long aspiration of the people of Shella direct to Delhi as a special consideration will be sanctioned and sanctioned direct from sector. So that is the advantage where we are highlighting the people of Shella, because it's a rural constituency. Na? So that I'm talking about our party only. So I have not point pinned on anybody. So I said it will be good for the people if they, normally my appeal that a time has arrived that the people, the electorates, they should vote for a party who is having a power in Delhi. Then you will get more help, you know. So that is my idea. You have got a right to file RTI against any department. Even a beggar also, you have got a right to file RTI. How do you implement the scheme as sanctioned by the state government or by the state government? So why they are panicked? Why they are scared? All party, including independent, they are fighting against BJP. Who is strong, who is not strong, so we cannot say. But in terms of share of votes, because in the MP election, without campaigning, without polling agent, I have not even stepped in there even 1 minute also in that Shella constituency. We don't have a unit also there at the time. Yes, we do have a party workers, but not so strong. Like now, last few months, our candidate, he works very hard. He is a follower of Jorop Singh Nongklao, or candidate at the time. He secured about 2,600 plus. So he continued to work to revamp the party organization, to strengthen the party by Joshua Warjri. So that time I got 4,778, I think, without conversing. Shella. So if this 4,700 are intact, so with his hard work it will be increasing. So 6 candidates. So I think a very good chance for the BJP. The five candidate vote will be divided. So if this 4,700, say 5,000 remains, so we are having a good chance to win. It will start by no Shella. Imat tu mga kuat jumut kumangya kan nanti yang bukan pisah tinggal mereka. Start. Kila pun PI itu yang ke. Daya kau serong liga kau cipu lu yang nyata menyata kau bahaya lu yang tapi tak kabut kau tahu ya salah yang mungkin asal BTP tu. Shella start lu kuat belum nunggu juga. Udah bejaga jingkrisan apa Delhi dengan BTP bukan buat ni. That is the wisdom of the electrics of it. So we are having a very good chance.